हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं सपना कनेरिया, फैकल्टी ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट, गवर्नमेंट होलकर साइंस कॉलेज इंदौर। इससे पहले वाले लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट डाटा स्ट्रक्चर। नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ डाटा स्ट्रक्चर। डाटा स्ट्रक्चर divided in two parts: primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure divided in further four parts: integer, float, character and boolean. And non-primitive data structure divided in two parts: linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear data structure also defined in array, linked list, stack and queue form. And non-linear data structure divided in tree and graph form. Now we discuss about primitive data type. Primitive data type are data types available in most of the programming language. These data types are used to represent single values. It is a basic type available in most of the programming languages. For example, we discuss about data type integer, used to represent a number without decimal point; float, used to represent a number with decimal point; character, it is used single character; and boolean represent logical value either true or false. Non-primitive data types. Data types derived from primary data type are known as non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data types are used to store group of values. It can be divided in two types: linear and non-linear data structure. Linear data structure traverses data elements sequentially. In linear data structure, only one data element can directly be reached. It includes array, linked list, stack and queue. Array is collection of elements. It is used to mathematical operation like matrix, algebra and etc. Linked list, it consists two parts: info and link. Info gives information, a link is address of next node. Stack is a list of elements. It uses basically two main operations: push and pop. Push for insert the element and pop for remove the element. Queue is linear list of element. In queue, elements are added at one end called rear, and existing elements are deleted from other end called front. Non-linear data structure. Non-linear data structure is opposite to linear data structure. In non-linear data structure, the data values are not arranged in order, or a data item is connected to several data items. It uses memory efficiently. Free continuous memory is not required for allocating data items. Examples: tree and graph. Tree is a flexible, versatile and powerful non-linear data structure. It is used to represent data items, processing hierarchical relationship between the grandfather and his children and grandchildren. It representing hierarchical data. Graph is a non-linear data structure which consists a finite set of ordered pairs called edges. Graph is set of elements connecting by edges. Each element are called the vertex and node. Now we close this lecture and discuss next lecture further more topics. Thank you.